How's it going, folks? Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. I got a bit of a buyer beware story for you. Check it out. I got this Legend of Zelda. It was in with a bunch of other stuff. Guy just took a bunch of pictures. I was like, yeah, it looks like a totally awesome Legend of Zelda. There's nothing wrong with that case. No, so I get it and I see it. I'm like, what? That can't be some promotional thing or something, right? No, it's not. Life is hard. Life is so hard. Anyways, so we get the unit. You know. Oh, we got some stains on it. Looks like it's been tossed around a bit. Oh no. What's that? Oh no, I have the wrong. By the power of Grayskull. Blam, just like that. Thank goodness for eBay. You can get this shit for nothing. For nothing. Let's take a look at the inside and see what's... Oh, that's nice. That's great. So what do I do now? Try to restore it and glue it down? Where the heck does this even come from? It looks like the battery hasn't leaked, so that's not too bad. Okay, I wonder where the frick is this thing to? Alright, I find it. How do you break that part? Seriously, what, do you step on it? How is it that this is kept so well? Wait, it can't go there. Is this another part that's missing then? No, it's gotta be right there. Okay, it fits. Someone must have stood on that. SN-ROM 03. So it just blows me away that somebody who kept the case, I guess, cuts out boxes of it, like steps on it and breaks it. That must be because, oh, unless they pushed it into the cartridge too hard. No, because if it was that, something else would have broken before that, right? One of the bottom pieces would have. Anyways, I'm going to get this thing back together. I'm going to take a bit of Gorilla Glue and put that back. Other people wouldn't like me using Gorilla Glue. They'd be like, oh, Nevin, you should use, you know, this side or the other thing. Gorilla Glue has a problem with this side or the other thing. Ah, whatever. Whatever you're up to. Whatever you're up to. But let's make sure I just put a little bit on it. Now, the thing about these motherboards is that this battery dies. That battery dies, you don't get any energy. Maxwell, that's interesting. Use Maxwell batteries. So the problem about replacing them is they have this little spot weld right here where they're literally, the battery's literally just welded right to the board. And that's just how she goes. Sharp chip, nice, nice. NES, PRG. Okay, well, that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Hit like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as usual, take care of each other, folks.